Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review, along with additional resources, are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using EquityZen. EquityZen, primarily known as a platform for pre-IPO company investments, also offers a unique avenue into real estate. Through alternative investments and private equity-backed real estate funds, EquityZen provides indirect access to the real estate market. This platform is specifically designed for accredited investors seeking distinctive, high-growth opportunities with significantly lower barriers to entry compared to traditional private markets. A key advantage of EquityZen is its emphasis on liquidity within the private market. Unlike traditional real estate investments, often locked into extended holding periods, EquityZen's marketplace facilitates the buying and selling of shares in private equity-backed real estate assets before fund maturity. This flexibility is a major draw for investors who prioritize control over their investment timelines. EquityZen opens doors to institutional-grade real estate opportunities, typically packaged as private equity funds or trusts. These funds often comprise diversified portfolios of high-value commercial properties, residential developments, and mixed-use assets. This structure provides investors with exposure to real estate markets typically accessible only to large institutional players, but with considerably lower minimum investment requirements. Transparency and reporting are other strengths of the platform. EquityZen provides investors with detailed information on the underlying assets, projected returns, and potential risks associated with each investment opportunity. This level of transparency is essential for making well-informed decisions, especially in the complex landscape of private equity real estate. EquityZen's curated marketplace is another noteworthy feature. Each offering undergoes rigorous due diligence to ensure quality and mitigate risk. This process frees investors from extensive vetting, allowing them to concentrate on building a well-balanced and diversified portfolio. While EquityZen offers a sophisticated investment experience, it's crucial to remember that it's exclusively available to accredited investors. Furthermore, it's important to acknowledge that returns on real estate investments through private equity can fluctuate due to market volatility and economic conditions. These investments also maintain a degree of illiquidity compared to publicly traded REITs. In summary, EquityZen presents an excellent opportunity for accredited investors looking to gain exposure to the real estate market through private equity funds, with the added benefit of increased liquidity. Its curated offerings, commitment to transparency, and focus on alternative assets make it a valuable resource for portfolio diversification. Explore the links in the description to delve deeper into EquityZen and determine if it aligns with your specific investment goals. This review should provide further clarity on whether EquityZen is the right platform for your individual real estate investment strategy.